गुड एवरीवन। चलिए शुरू करते हैं आज की प्रैक्टिस। फिटनेस टेस्ट। एज अ मैटर ऑफ फैक्ट, इफ़ वी आर हेल्दी एंड फिजिकली फिट, we can perform our duties and responsibility effectively, whether it is personal, social, or officials. Each one of us can enjoy good physical fitness if one pay attention to it on regular basis towards achieving goals, set goals. Maintaining and improving physical fitness is an easy process to practice. An individual can remain physically fit if he is keenly easy process to practice. An individual can remain physically fit if he is keenly interested in enjoying a meaningful life. Indeed, physical education is a necessity to enable us to perform and carry out of all the activities of life. The main purpose of this fitness test is to promote fitness to all. Take a breath and exhale. 5 times take a breath and exhale. चलिए शुरू करते हैं. The main purpose of this fitness test is to promote fitness for all. But before knowing about the various tests played retail to be physical fitness, it is essential to have a clear out to physical fitness. It is essential to have a clear cut understanding about physical fitness. Physical fitness is a capacity to meet the present and potential physical challenges of life with success. It is also called the ability to perform activities. In fact, each activity and sport require a specific set of skills and fitness level. That is why fitness is usually divided into specific fitness components which can be tested and trained individually. Physical fitness is generally related to health related physical fitness and skill or performance related physical fitness. Battery of test of the age 5 to 8 year classes 1 to 3. At primary level classes 1 to 3, students should acquire various fundamental movement skills, leaving the learning of specific physical activity to later stages. The basic of fundamental skills provide building blocks for many physical activities such as playing games, dance, and sports. The following are the abilities of students in classes 1 to 3, which are essential to be measured for controlling the body in different situations. Body composition, BMI, flamingo balance sheet, static balance, coordination test. Descriptions of test. Breathe, exhale 5 बार. Body mass index. The body mass index is also known as Quetelet index because it was invented by Adolphe Quetelet. In fact, it is a statistical measurement which accompanies an individual weight and height. Although it does not actually measure the percentage of the body fat, yet it is a very useful tool to estimate a healthy body weight based on low toll on an individual. It is indeed it is the most widely used tool to identify the weight problem. BMI is a very easy to measure and evaluation. With the help of BMI, one can come to know whether one is underweight, normal weight, overweight, or in the category of obesity. BMI can be defined as the individual body weight divided by the square of the height. Calculation of BMI. BMI of the individual can be calculated with the help of the following formulas. Here the weight of an individual is measured in kilograms and the height of that student is taken in meters. Preposition. Children should remove socks, shoes and jacket or any heavy clothing. The floor surface should be hard. If such surface is not available, and hard wooden surface should be kept under the base of the hydrate. This is all about for today, and ये था मेरा आज का प्रैक्टिस का सीन. Thank you to all. Bye bye.